What I actually did was I used my label maker and I printed out a little sticker and I put it on the front of my computer and I wrote, "Is this worth $10,000 per hour?" First one we're going to get into, this is called the 20/80 rule, and this is how to value your time. Usually when we go through the process of doing this, you'll have in the back of your mind things that you're doing right now pop up into your mind that you shouldn't be doing. So let's get into this. This is the key rule on how we value our time. And the 20/80 rule, 2080 is a very special number, and that number is actually how many working hours roughly you have in the year. If you were to work a 40-hour week and you were to work 52 weeks. Now, we all know that most entrepreneurs work more than that, which is totally okay, but we're going to use 2080 as our rule. So what I want you to do is I want to take your total revenue for the year, and so this is your goal revenue or your total sales for the business. So not profit, your total sales for the business, and I want you to write down that number. Now, you're going to divide that number by 2080, and you're going to get a new number. What this number is giving you is the total number of dollars that need to be generated for your business for every hour that you work in the business over the course of the year. It may not be what you're charging on a per hourly basis, it might be. This is basically the commercial result that needs to be created each hour in the business that you are in the business. And so this number is now your new entrepreneurial hourly rate. If you are doing anything that is worth less than this much per hour, then it needs to be delegated, stopped, given to someone else, systemized, automated. Something else needs to happen with that. And this could be at home or at work. And so as I'm saying that, you're probably thinking about a couple of things that are popping up right now that you're doing that don't quite meet that hourly rate. And what I'd like you to do is write down 3 things at work and 3 things at home that you're doing right now that are worth less than that hourly rate, or that you could get somebody else to do for that hourly rate or less. What I actually did was I used my label maker and I printed out a little sticker and I put it on the front of my computer and I wrote, "Is this worth $10,000 per hour?" So anytime I'm sitting in front of my computer, if I'm goofing off on Facebook or if I'm reading the news or if I'm doing anything else that's not actually productive work, anything that I'm doing in front of my computer that is worth less than $10,000 an hour is a good reminder that that should be delegated or given to somebody else, because it's not my job to do it.
If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.